Everyone, this is KJO Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will get into another reaction video from SB19 Style. Ang kakatahin niya dito, actually, nakita ko lang to sa FYP to, and I'm not pretty sure when was this. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga alam kung kailan to. But I think he is together with Julian San Jose here, and hindi ko din sure kung nagawa ko na siya ng reaction video, pero ang alam ko, hindi ko pa talaga siya nagawa ng reaction video. So I won't take any longer one of my favorite song by Kyla. Hanggang ngayon. Wow, may papakit-pikit talaga ako ng mata, no? Nakita ko lang to kanina nang nasa biyahe ako, nang pauwi ako. And then I saw this video na, yun na nga, may nag-upload nito. And I'm not pretty sure kung kailan to. But it was uploaded 16 hours ago. So hindi ako sure kung kailan to. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Sino kasama niya? Si Regine? Sa New Front Theater to eh. Pero parang familiar ako sa suot ni Stel na kasama niya si Julian dito. Pero bakit hindi ko ito nagawa ng reaction video? Wow. Wow. Wait lang, falsetto. Falsetto? No, soprano. Sopranong atake ni Stel? May na-adjust lang ako guys, sorry. Wow! Tenor talaga siya. Tapos talaga ng boses niya. Oh, love. Wait lang, I know it's too early to pause, pero ulitin natin without pauses later. Is that Julie? Grabe yung runs. Ngayon. Okay. Yung dynamics. Wow. Happy yung vibrato niya talaga. Okay. Tenor talaga siya. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda na pa. Grabe, wait lang. Ang ganda ng mga binabali niyang nota dito for today's video. Wow. Ganda ng vibrato niya. Okay. Wow. Sustained. He really sustained. He's owning the stage, dear. He's owning the stage. Oh! Ay, grabe. Dear, sorry. Aminin man natin sa hindi. Hindi ko man bias si Stel, but then again, my God, we cannot deny the fact na hindi siya nahirapang i-hit nun. Ang taas nun. I am not a pro singer lang din kasi, so I cannot distinguish talaga kung ano yung hinit niyang nota doon, but that's too high. And I didn't hear any difficulty of breathing at all. Oh. Oh! Oh my God, gusto kong sumigaw ngayon. Ikaw pa rin ang Wow. Wow. He ate and left no crumbs. Literally. 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 He ate and left no crumbs. Seriously. Grabe. Ito si Stell. Can you imagine that? Ang ganda pa niya. Uy, sa kay Julie nga to na na concert. But why is that? I didn't saw this one. Wait, balik natin. Ibalik natin na hindi ako nagsasalita. Ramdam ko yun. Ramdam ko yun. Oh. Nice. Nice. Love that. No. Hindi ko matanggap na hindi ko makanta si Stell. Oh, love that. I love that. He sustained. He really sustained that. Seriously? Napapanganga na lang ako kay Stell. Feel na feel ko, dear. Wow. Grabe, what? Anong note yan? Anong note yan? Wow. You cannot deny the fact na magaling talaga siya, be. Wow. Wow. God. Style 8 and left no crumbs. Seriously. Literally. I really cannot. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from SB19 at Style. Oh my god, I love it. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!